Imphal, June 25, 2025. DIPR Directorate of Information and Public Relations Government of Manipur na short film competition ama Pangthokadouri. Competition asigi damak film makers sing, content creators sing amasung mayam na impactful oiba minute ani sangba short film sing namduna social issues singi matangda awareness piba ngamba amasung wari sing asina afaba maikegi ahongba mapurak nabagi damak meeting sing silakli. High river short film competition asigi theme sing adudi ahanbada my city my responsibility masigi inside na be a responsible citizen, act for your community habani. Masigi theme sigi oiba short film gi last date of submission na 15 July 2025 oigani. Ani subada laiba theme masina say no to single use plastic. Aduga inside na protect nature, choose sustainability ID. Aduga haiba theme masigi video submission to wagi last date na 30 July 2025 oigani. Aduga mathangda e-challan awareness masigi inside na follow traffic rules, go digital haibani. Last date of submission na 18 August 2025 to oigani. Mathangda laiba theme masina unity in diversity haibani. Masigi inside na together we stand strong haibani. Masigi last date of submission na 4th September 2025 oigani. Aduga mga suba aroibada laiba theme asina support don't punish. Aduga masigi inside ta laiba sina ethical care for drug recovery have. Aduga masigi last date of submission jina 18 September 2025 oigani. Haiba video si English amasung Manipuri animakta semba yagani. Adubu MP4 format ta SD da submission tawgadabani. Haiba short film competition asigi form na DIPR gi head office tagi lawiba yagani natraga makhoi gi website dipr.mn.gov.in dagi su lawiba yagani. Term and condition oina haiba same liba short film natraga short video sing asi original content oigedabani karigumba han phongduna laikhraba atopa wari singa manaba plagiarize oiba video oiba taragadi madu disqualification oigani haiba term and condition su thamlagli. Aduga makha tana term and condition ni manung channa video si 2 minutes tagi hena sangba yade. Aduga participant amana theme ani khaktadagi hena participate tawbusu yaroi. Karigumba video sing asi submit tawkhraba matungda video sing asi copyright DIPR gi oigani. Copyright khudimak DIPR da transfer tawduna DIPR na copyright reserve khudimak on tawgani haina su late hamli. Khwadi gi maru oibada high river short film competition asigi first prize ta laiba asi case oina 50,000 rupees, second prize ta laiba asina 30,000 rupees, aduga third prize ta na 20,000 oigani. Consolation prize ta winner ani khangani. Consolation prize ki case prize na 5,000